Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the key auto stocks in Indian stock market uh, for the short term as well as for the long term. As we all know, the global economy and Indian economy is going gradually down. FIIs are pulling their money from our Indian market, so market has discounted a bit. The global market, Nasdaq and Dow, has also fallen significantly. Uh, if you see the recent changes in current economy, the Indian government has made significant changes in the steel industry. So, for the background for our auto stock, let's look into the raw material, that's steel, right? So, government waived the custom duty on coal and ferronickel, which are the primary raw materials which are used by the steel industry. Also, government announced an increase in duty on exports of iron ore up to 50% from 30% and imposed an export duty of up to 15% on some of the steel products. So the prices of raw material has been reduced by the government for their imports and the export duty has increased a bit. In a way, with both the steps, the steel prices will come down naturally in Indian market, and that will benefit hugely for auto sector, for construction and property sectors, and many other sectors. Though it is very bad for the steel industry as well. This will have a negative impact on the steel industry. If you have noticed in the recent fall in the stock market, the stocks from auto industry are not corrected much. Let's analyze one of the key players in auto segment, and that's Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra announced fourth quarter result that ended on March 2022. Company revenue grew by 28% comparing to the previous quarter four results that ended in March 2021. So revenue grew by 28%. If you compare the last fiscal year to last fiscal year, there has been multifold growth in the standalone profit as well. Uh, what are the segments which drives the growth, which are the utility vehicle volume in quarter four with 42% year-on-year growth. In the auto export segment, there is a 77% growth year-on-year. Farm export volume at 17,500 tractors were highest in financial year 2022 with 66% growth. If you see all the pros, steel prices are coming down because of the government support. New models like Scorpio and new XUV 500 are also coming in this year. The sales of current models, XUV 700, Thar, XUV 300 are very popular. Mahindra currently holds 170,000 bookings. The demand for automotive product portfolio that remains really strong. Let's look into the cons of Mahindra and Mahindra. It is likely that interest rates will also rise from the RBI itself, and that would make auto loans a bit expensive. Fuel prices are also rising. So let's look into the technical analysis of the stock for the short-term duration. It's trading near the breakout levels. Since quarter four results are excellent, it is bound to raise in short-term period. RSI of 14 days is 62.4, which is good. CCI is at 134, which is above 100. That's a good technical indicator. Multi-year breakout is also showing on the chart. Nifty is also showing strength, which is positive for the stock. Auto index is also having a breakout, so that's a positive too. So for the stock, for the short term, the stock is very bullish. For the long term as well, fundamentals are strong. Sales is rising as we discussed. This is not any recommendation as such. This is just an analysis which I do. I might buy this stock for the short term period tomorrow. If you have liked the video and liked the analysis, please give a thumbs up to the video, share the channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.